Chain rule, find its derivative. Kunin mo natin yung inner term. So, yan. Ito yung inner term. And then, yung outer term natin, u raised to 3 over 2. So, ito yung outer term as a whole. Kunin natin ngayon yung derivative ng du over dx. So, ito, d over dx. Meron tayong 2x cube minus x minus 14. So, ang derivative nito ay yan, 3 times 2, 6. 3 minus 1, 2. Ito naman, negative x, negative 1. So, negative 14, 0 na yan. So, yung du over dx natin ay yan, 6x squared minus 1. And then, yung dy over du naman tayo. Dy over du. So, u. D over du. U raised to 3 over 2. So, 3 half times 1 will become 3 over 2 u. 3 half minus 1, i-minus natin, magiging 1 half. Okay, so gamitin na natin yung formula. Dy over dx, chain rule formula, is equal to dy over du times du over dx. Yung dy over du natin, ito, dy over du, 3 over 2 u raised to 1 half. Multiply sa du over dx. Saan yun? Ito, 6x square minus 1. Then, kopyahin ulit. So, yung u, ang value ng u natin ay 2x cubed minus x minus 14. And raised to 1 half. Multiply sa 6x square minus 1. Okay, so multiply na natin yung final derivative. Yung derivative natin is so 6x square 3 over 2 6x square minus 1 and 2x cubed minus x minus 14 raised to 1 half. So ito na yun.